guys, welcome to Trax 2019. You see the guys behind me there warming the car up. We're about to go out for our first session. It's been real patchy so far. It rained all the way through the night, but the new surface I got here at Silverstone is said to be really grippy, so we're going to go and have a bit of a bash. And yeah, I think we've got a few extra little surprises that we're going to put in store for you guys today. Maybe someone a bit more famous than normal has come to support us, so yeah, keep an eye out for him later on. Short break to session 2, which we're now lining up for. Session 1 was so much fun. I cannot believe how grippy that surface is now. It's got that new F1 tarmac on it. So even though it was a little bit wet, we decided to go in flat out. And I tell you, hopefully Dale is going to let us start from a little bit further back this time, so we can actually start pushing a bit harder and try those backwards entries. Well, what a day it's been here at Trax. We've been pushing the little LSZ faster than we ever have done before. 104, 103, 101 entry speeds, so super chuffed with that. Also won the competition for today for the best line, so super stoked. But also came second overall, so managed to get in the champagne fight at the end of the day. You can see the team over the shoulder there, all beaming from ear to ear. You know, it's been sterling. We were so lucky with the weather. So now that was the last event for our season this year. So it's time to get the LSZ back home to the garage now and start doing some rework on the engine and the chassis itself. So stay tuned for those vlog updates. See you next time.